Welcome back to my channel, Math Brain. Really interesting challenge today. 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen. We have like nothing hard. We have non-hard expression right here. We have very easy expression, minus, division and addition right here. So it's really great and everyone handled this question in the 3rd grade. So that's fantastic. But what is the correct answer to this challenge? 3 options A, B and C. So right now pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? 0, 2 or 3? Let's test our answer. Let's check our answer in the end of the video, so it will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. So first of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So we have our challenge. We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 and plus 2. So here's our challenge. And one part of students solve this question like that. So we have like 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, and we have addition right here. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So one part of students divide the 0, divide by 4, and as a result we have 0, which is option A. Another part of students have their own interpretation, so they solve this question also randomly. So we have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2, and we solve this question like that. So we have 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, and we still have this division by 2 and addition plus 2, so we have division by 2 and plus 2, and once more 0 divided by 2 equal to 0, and 0 plus 2 equal to 2, and we have this is option B. We have this option, and as you can see, two completely different solutions. But in terms of math, it's really important to know about order of operation, because we can't solve this question randomly, we can't solve this question chaotically. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because right here, obviously, as you can see, obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer. So in the first interpretation, we have 0, and in the second interpretation, we have 2. Completely different answer, but in math, we should know what is one and only one correct order of operation. And for example, to this challenge, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS, and of course, let's solve this question according to this PEMDAS order of operation, okay? And then we will check with this 0 and 2, maybe 0 or 2 is a correct answer, I don't know exactly, but let's solve this question according to this PEMDAS. So we have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 and plus 2. Okay, here's our question. First of all, let's scan what elements do we have, because PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom, so we should go from the top to the bottom, because parentheses has the highest priority, addition, subtraction, the lowest priority. So first parentheses, I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part, we don't have parentheses, which is brilliant. The next step, exponents. What about powers right here? I don't see any of those, we just skip this part, we don't have any exponent. What about multiplication division group? Let's look at it. For me personally, I don't see any multiplication sign, but in the middle we have division sign. We have this division sign in the middle, but we apply this division only to these two values, 2 and 2. So right now let's start with this division, because as you can see, this is our first step. It implied that we should divide it first, because from the top to the bottom, from the top the highest priority, on the bottom the lowest priority. So first step, division. So we have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1 and plus 2. And right now we have also addition, also we have subtraction, and as you can see in this case we don't need our order of operation, because this is basic subtraction, basic addition. But if you need this order of operation, subtraction is our second step, because from left to right in a strict order, addition and subtraction has the same priority. And the third step is addition. So firstly division in the middle, then subtraction, then addition. So let's do this. We have our answer, 2 minus 1, 1, and 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This is option C. And really important moment, 3 interpretations, 3 different answers. But what about a correct solution? This one, or this one? If you look closely to this solution, this is a very bad solution in terms of math, because we just subtract at first, then we jump right here, then we divide. So this is like a randomly solution. This is not good solution in terms of math. You should put brackets if you want to solve this question like that. If you should have the question like that. If you want to solve this question with the correct answer A, you should have brackets. Then right here subtraction, right here addition, so then a correct answer is 0, but with parentheses. In our case, we don't have parentheses, we have a regular expression without parentheses, so we just skip this part, we don't have any parentheses, so we just go to the next step. The next step also is very bad, because we subtract at first, then we divide, then we subtract. This is really big mistake in terms of math. So we should put brackets there. With brackets, this is a correct solution and a correct question, because then you should subtract at first right here, and then a division and and addition. Okay, so forget about this b is wrong. With parentheses this is okay, but without parentheses this is wrong. Correct solution is option C, because we solve it according to correct order of operation, division first, then subtraction, addition from left to right. So the correct answer is option C. So I hope you choose this option. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos with different questions, with different relaxing challenges every day. So if you're interested in this, you can easily visit my YouTube channel. I have a lot of questions every day. So with that being said, see you in the next videos. Have a great day.